Okay. We'll start with a quick introduction.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me about yourself and the project you have worked on.
Uh, so my name is Kaustubh Salunge. I am MCA graduate from 2025 batch in ISMR College from Savitribai Phule Pune University, and I also done my graduation from Pratibha College in 2023 with the aggregate of 8.51 and MCA aggregate of 7.69. And I have actually worked on Java and JavaScript programs projects, and also the Android projects, uh, which is very vast, and the the information required is gathered by our team, and according to that we follow the process, and with that we getting too much information, and with the help of that information we collected the requirements, and build the project in our semester. The first project which I've worked on is gym management, which named as a gym administration system. And in that project, we actually worked with JavaScript for front end, and for back end we have used the uh, MySQL for database, and for backend we have used the PHP. Uh, in the academic year, we have explored too many languages and too many tools, like MySQL for database, and JavaScript for front end, and also there are too many tools which are required to uh, build a project. And also with the help of my friends and some AI tools, we generated and gathered the information, and curated in one project with the help of our guide. And the second project I have worked on is Android app, which called as a HealthMate, which is an app we can use for uh, to get the information about the nearby
Fine.
hospitals, or we can say the chemist, we can get the medicines from. And with that information, the user can see where the hospital is nearby for from their location, and also they can calculate the BMI index of their body, and get the information about their disease, or any kind of we can say any kind of disease they are facing, or symptoms they are getting. From that uh, they can they can assume that which disease they are going through. And also they can
Fine.
calculate the
Okay.
diet.
Okay,
Okay,
Kaustubh,
ma'am.
fine. I understand. So, okay. So what is HTML and CSS?
Basically, HTML, CSS are the tools which are used for web development, and HTML is a basic web language we can use for making the forms in the. It is like a skeleton of the
Package.
web page, and CSS is like a we can build a skeleton which is in the HTML, and CSS is like a design tool to design our web page according to our requirements with the help of CSS. And we can CSS is like a we can say the we can say that the HTML is a Christmas tree, and CSS is like the decorations we can use for our clients' needs
Mhm.
according to that. And
Yeah.
CSS is also in the three. CSS is also having three types, which is inline CSS, um, inline CSS, and
Fine.
also the,
Okay. Yeah,
yes,
no issues. First of all, I would like to suggest you try to look into camera first so that I can understand your confidence as well.
yes,
Okay?
yes, ma'am. Sorry
Okay,
about that.
fine. So why JavaScript we used?
So JavaScript is also used for web development, which is like, we
Okay.
can say, we use JavaScript to in the React projects, which are like, React projects means, JavaScript is like a design language. It is widely used from uh, big companies and big MNCs to create their own web pages, and do the design part of the web pages. And it is like a dynamic language. We can curate HTML and CSS in that. And also, JavaScript is widely used, and first language which is mostly used in the world. And JavaScript is like, uh, is mostly used in the React project, or React Native project. React means, it's just a tool which is recently get used, and it is used in every dynamic page, which I can give an example for. JavaScript is used for the Amazon page, which we can see, where the components are like the square boxes we can see there and click there, are like, and the square boxes which we can see, there is dynamically changing their links, and getting the links from the source. And with that, we can also use that for other in the
Fine.
different stages of the one page only. That's
Fine.
for that JavaScript
So,
is used.
okay, I would suggest you one more thing here, like try to answer very shortly and
Yes,
properly.
yes,
So that because we have a lot of things to cover here, right?
yes,
So,
yes.
okay, fine. What is the difference between ID and class in HTML?
Oh, sorry, ma'am.
What is the difference between ID and class in HTML?
The class is like the, we can say, with the example I can narrate you through this. The class is like a, if there is a, we can say the example is a class is like a, some car or car in it. The box, the uh, it's like the, class is like a, and
What is ID in general, right? Don't just forget about the languages and other things. Just what is ID in general?
ID. ID.
Yes, if it is your ID, if it is mine ID, is it same?
No, ma'am. It is like a different. It is like a specific, and
Yeah,
it is
exactly.
uh, it
That's
is
what I'm
different
expecting.
for different persons or users.
Okay,
It is a
so
special key.
okay. So what is class then?
Class is like, we can say the, uh, if we consider class as a car, and car is like, there are many too many cars we can consider in car class. There are too many cars which are like, if we can say the Swift car, then it is like a Swift car in the class object, which is in the car class. uh, Swift is like a object, and uh, class class is car class, which is
Can we
containing Swift
use
object.
class multiple times?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we use? That's what I'm expecting, which is very shortly the difference between these two, ID and class. ID is, as you said, specific or unique, and class is as we can use it multiple times, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what is the responsive design and Did you apply it before? How did you apply
Yes,
it?
ma'am. In Java is like a object oriented language, so that it needs to create class first.
No, no. What I'm asking you, like, what is responsive design? Did you apply it?
Responsive design.
Responsive design.
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. If you don't know, just answer no or fine. Okay, just a minute. Okay. How did you validate forms in your project?
So there are validation in forms. Uh, so there are some
JavaScript.
yes, in JavaScript there are some conventions that we can give to our forms, which are like from we can give that form that this particular text box only contain the A to Z
Are you
characters,
reading
and
from somewhere?
no, ma'am, no, ma'am.
You reading from
It is
somewhere? Okay. So
no.
then try to look in camera. That is confirming your confidence as well, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
uh,
So
so
I'll give you a hint shortly, like if it is about the empty fields emails format or something. So how did you validate forms in your project? I've
uh,
already answered you,
so
but you didn't catch it.
Uh, so it is like as a programmer we can give the convention in the text box. uh, we can give text box to only accept the A to Z, or any number character we can accept only, and we can give that, and after that only that which is we specified in that, that is only accepted by the JavaScript code.
I asked you how did you validate forms in your project? Using what exactly? Did you use CSS, HTML, or JavaScript?
Yes, ma'am.
What exactly to validate the forms in your project?
Uh, we can do this in the JavaScript also, which is
Also
which is
or
containing
only?
HTML, or ma'am.
We use mainly what we use, JavaScript or what?
JavaScript is like a structure, and HTML is integrated in that. So in the HTML we can give that
I know what is DOM.
authentication.
What is DOM?
What, ma'am?
What is DOM?
I didn't get, ma'am, what you saying.
DOM, DOM, DOM,
DOM. Okay.
in HTML.
In HTML. No, ma'am. I don't know.
Yeah. What is get and post, I mean, difference between them.
So gate is like a it is like a receiver's it is like a we can pass a little bit of our information in the gate call, and in put call we can give too many information in that. In gate call there is no safety in that. In put call, which we can safely, securely we deliver the message in that.
Okay. So
um,
I asked
get
you not put exactly. I asked you get and post.
get and post, yes, yes, ma'am. Get and post.
So what is post?
Post is like a same protocol which follow the two, we can share too much of information in that, compared to get call. And it is safe, it is safe in compared to get call. And
Yeah.
also it is more, we can share more information in that. And uh, get call is having much information, that's why it is having big size. And
Is it secure?
What, ma'am?
Secure for forms or not?
Yes, it is secure than get call, because call is visible and post is not visible.
When you mean, right? Data is hidden, right? Am I
What,
audible?
ma'am?
I asked you data is hidden or not in post.
In post there is no visibility for the information.
Oh, good. Fine.
Only receivers or a
Mm.
user or sender can see that. And after the user, after the authentication and the verification, user can see that.
So as I can see your CV, your skill sets also include PHP or MySQL or SQLite, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine. What is PHP we used for?
PHP is like a backend language we are used for. HTML is like a HTML CSS is like a front end languages, and PHP is used for the backend functions, which are getting the data and transfer, also done in the PHP. And the functions that are and the manipulation of the data is used by the PHP.
How did you connect PHP with MySQL?
What, ma'am?
How did you connect PHP with MySQL?
It is like a call, we can say.
Oh, there is some command or something for answer.
Yes,
And then if you you can write in chat box as well. There is a chat.
yes, there is a command, ma'am, but I don't know right now.
Okay, fine. Did you heard about PDO? Something PDO
Uh,
or MySQL I connect something.
Preview.
PDO, I said.
No,
Fine.
ma'am.
Okay, okay, just a moment. So what is CRUD operations?
Uh, operations like uh, create, uh, read, and delete operations, uh, which are
Camera.
what, ma'am?
Look into camera, I said.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Oh,
Uh, Third operations are like a basic operations. We can create with it. Read the information, delete that information, and modify that information. That are the CRUD operations.
to modify the information what we used here
Uh,
to modify usage,
uh,
right?
yes, yes, yes.
So create, read, then next to
Delete and delete and modify, I guess.
modify you said, right? So for modify,
Yes.
it is update, right? Okay,
Yes. Update.
fine.
Update.
What is primary key?
Uh, so basically, the primary key is the identifier in the primary table, which is used to. It is like a basic. It is like a identity of the table, we can say.
Specific.
In the first table, I didn't. A primary key is like the serial numbers, we can say.
Mhm. So I would like to ask you what is foreign key and then tell me the difference between primary key and foreign key.
So primary key is like in the first table, and we want to call the other primary key from the another table is like a foreign key.
Pardon, I didn't understand you, but please repeat. We used,
Uh, what, ma'am?
uh, could you please repeat?
So primary key is like the we can create a primary key in the first table, and from that we and another table there is a another primary key, and after that we are calling the first we are calling the another primary key with the first primary key with uh, the another primary key. We can say that is a foreign key which we call through the primary key.
Okay. Okay. So did we, I mean, we can use it for to link the tables, right?
Uh,
Foreign key.
Foreign key, what, ma'am?
We can use it to link the two tables, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Two or more also.
Mm-hmm. So, if you can share your screen, I would like to ask here, write the query to fetch all members from gym table, for example.
Yes, ma'am.
You can open your notepad as well, no issues. No need to have any online. Am I audible? You can just simply open your notepad as well. Ask you to write the query to fetch all members from gym table. Maximize it. Right. Just basic query it is, Kaustubh. We just have to fetch all members from gym table. Okay, well, let's make it very simple. Just think about it like you want to you have a XYZ table and you want to fetch the details from that table. How will you do this? You are unmute, I guess. You are on mute. May I audible you? Also, you are on mute.
Am I audible right now?
Yeah, yeah, fine.
Uh, I can't do right now that because of I didn't have any uh,
If I
any
you can just tell me like if you are not aware with the answer, then fine, we can move ahead.
uh, I just if I get any time, then I will just revise, then after that I will
Okay,
get
no issues.
get it.
So just make sure at the end of the interview, of course, I'll suggest you few things. Fine, we will continue right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm, minute. So, how did you store attendance in the gym project?
It is like another table which I created in the gym attendance table, with the serial number, with the name, and also the payments if they are done, or every day date, and the attendance check or check box.
Okay. Um, um, Stop sharing your screen. You cannot see your video properly. Fine. Okay. So, okay, fine. So as you said, like, there must be a serial number, like, uh, ID or something, more information, right? Anything
Yes, ma'am.
else other than that?
uh, in the attendance table, I have created the serial number, name, and the date which are they are present or not, or and the checkbox.
Is there any reference of PHP code in the same?
In the not right now, ma'am. I have actually uh, just have to revise that all.
If I may choose. Yeah, I have not revised it before the interview, right?
It is like
Fine.
it's not specified actually what we are going to see over here, so
But
that's why.
do you think so in the main interview it will be specified like what they are going to ask you? Whatever you have
No, ma'am.
studied is nothing out of box, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Nothing out of any your syllabus, I mean. Fine.
Yes.
So what is join and where did you use it?
uh, I right now I am know that there are left join, right join, and there are one more type in the join.
Why did
That's
you,
all.
I mean, where we use it exactly? Like to, as you said,
In the
you worked
in
on
the
a car
database,
rental project, right?
in the database.
Just take that example and try to answer.
uh,
If it is a car rental project, there must be a user or booking details, right?
yes.
So, okay,
uh,
let's move
we can say
ahead.
that the username and the serial number and their bookings are joined with their date and the specification and the payments they are doing with the another table.
Okay. Um, okay. How did you generate reports in your project?
Mhm. That I actually don't know, ma'am, because I taken of of my friend.
Okay. Um, just a moment. Just a moment. Always try to look into camera, otherwise you'll not look confident. So next, as we have covered, if it is fine. Is it, as I can see, there is a API as well in your CV. Is it true? Java,
Yes,
SQLite,
yes.
and API as well. So, what is an activity in Android?
It is like the API is used. The API is specifically used for the uh, in our Android project. I've used the API for the Google Maps for the used
No,
for
no,
that.
you didn't understand the question. I ask you activity in Android. What is that? Activity in Android.
Activity. Uh,
Yeah.
so activity is like a page, we can say, page of the
In
Android app
screen,
screen.
single
Yes,
screen.
single screen.
Okay. What is the intent?
Intent. Intent is like we can say the specification of that screen.
Okay, fine. Okay. Why did you use SQLite in your app?
SQLite for database.
Hmm. And what is BMI and how you will calculate it?
So BMI index is actually calculated with the weight which are currently your current weight and which is divided by
Your type is very basic.
yes ma'am. So
Um, okay. Click by nurses very more. Um, how did you track calories in the app?
so it is like a another function we are used, and daily the calorie the user have to insert their calories with the and that when user entered their calories with the specific like a breakfast the what they consumed, and after that the calories is calculated with that, and after the in the lunch and the dinner, and after that the whole day calories get calculated and saved in the SQLite database.
So, fine. Okay. So, how did you design your Android screens?
uh, it is like a we can say in the Android application design the XML files are used, so it is in the design part. It is
Using
very
XML.
simple. We can use the components from the Android application, Android Studio, which is and add that into the XML files, and we can customize by our needs.
Okay. Um, let's move to the some project specific questions, suppose, as the projects you have worked on. If it is the scenario like to handle login securely, how did you handle it?
How did I?
How did you handle login securely?
So at the web applications, there are actually the log registration first is done at the uh, if there is not if the user is not logged in. And after that, the table is also created for login, and the password is a specific id, and the username is given to every different users. And with that, the specific password is saved with the in the password, and we can say in the uh, in the table which is in the database. And with that, we in the login, we match that, and after the authentication, the user can log in into the web application.
If user forgets that password, how would you reset
Yes.
it?
uh, so reset, that is actually not done in our project, but we can do that in the forgot password function, which is also used in another project of my friends, which with the help of the email verification, and they can send the mail to their specific email, and with the email OTP, we can insert that, and after that change the password of the user.
Today's scenario is like double booking in your car rental project. Um, how that system will prevent that kind of scenario?
Double booking. So there are two logins actually. So if customer is get logged in, and he done his bookings, and the bookings is only done after the verification, and the approval of the admin, and admin also get the another login page, and another login which is specifically for the admin panel. And admin can see what are the bookings are there, and what are the specification they are required. And there are the double bookings and the overlapping they are. So on admin can only approve one of them, and one get cancelled.
Okay. So, in short, you want to say like there must be the availability check as well, right? Before inserting the booking record.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, the admin is the only one who can approve the bookings.
Right, right. If it is about, I mean, why did you choose PHP instead of like Java or Python?
Uh, because we can say the backend is very specific. There is no requirement for the other languages. HTML and CSS and PHP uh, uh, is sufficient for that project.
Mhm. Okay, so um, okay, very basic. What is the difference between MySQL and SQLite?
MySQL is a linear database which is only stored in the we can say in the tables, and the sequentially. And SQLite is a non-linear database which is not stored in the tables.
I we use it like MySQL and SQLite.
Uh, it is like a convention only that primary
Oh,
key
like
is used.
suppose if it is like in practical life, like for which type of applications, like if it is about a web application or any kind of mobile application, then how we can differentiate like MySQL and SQLite use of it.
Uh, So most of the times the web application is used with the linear database with the MySQL. And MongoDB like that, and
I'm just
SQLite is
asking you
used
about
with.
MySQL and SQLite.
Yes, ma'am. And SQLite
Go
is
ahead.
used with the Android applications.
Mobile apps.
Yes, in mobile apps, mobile applications.
Okay. 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 Fine. So I'm done with the questions. Anything from your end?
So actually, I know that I'm not much prepared about this interview, but I will make sure that every next time I will get properly prepared about every project in my resume, and also give a proper eyesight with camera, and I will get. I will also try to get fluent in the English.
Great. So you yourself already aware with the basic feedback at least, right?
Yes,
So
the
okay.
anything feedback that you want to give another than that.
Okay. So basically, if it is about the communication, then you need to be
Yes,
very specific and confident, first of all. Be in front of camera, don't move here and there, right? Second thing, because your body language express much
Um,
more than other than your answers, right?
yes, yes,
So always think about it, work on it. Secondly, second thing about your answers. So you know answers, but you're not specific about it. Like suppose
yes, yes,
you should be very, it's like one or two lines answer, but if you're moving to the description part, I mean you're describing it more, right? So that should be avoided. And second thing, um okay, if you are prepared, then you will look confident, right?
yes,
So
yes, yes,
at very basic level you need to be prepared first. So
yes, ma'am.
yeah, that is a very main thing here. And if you're prepared, then you will look confident. So that's it. And when you are answering, then you're doing like you're taking some gap, right? Because you're not
Yes, yes,
confident. But you tried. Try to avoid that. Just
yes,
answer fluently. It's not about your grammatical mistakes or something. No one. They will check only you're confident. Because if you're incorrect grammatically, but if you're answering like, yes, it is HTML, yes, it is CSS. So they just want to hear the answer, right?
answer,
And then
yes.
confidence. Yeah. So overall, be confident while answering. That's it.
So
Hope you,
just I have to just I have to pinpoint the answer, and what they are asking, and not giving too much here and there information about that.
yeah, exactly, exactly. So
Yes, ma'am.
just catch to the point. And if you are well prepared, then it will be easy to catch that. So, I mean,
Okay.
just answer exact in exact wordings, right? So that
Yes,
is the thing here. And otherwise, you know yourself, like you need to prepare more. Don't take it negatively. But yes, prepared well, then you will look confident as well. And just think of your body language as well, and look into camera.
yes, ma'am.
Your screen is one moment. Okay, fine. So you understand. Otherwise, you try to answer. Um, that's it. That's it from my end.
Okay,
We
thank you,
can
ma'am.
stop. Anything from your end?
No, ma'am. Thank you. I will
Okay.
improve in my next
Okay.
interview.
One more thing. One more thing. When we started the interview, I asked you for the quick introduction, right? So
Yes.
just don't describe project very initially at the introduction time. Keep it in mind.
Yes.
It is
Yes.
very important part because it's just 2 to max 3 minutes of introduction that's expected, and we just expect like your I mean your experience, your name basically, and not like your hometown or something. I'm just saying, not the background information. There is because they want to hire you, right? So what they want
Yes.
to confirm, that's what you have to answer just. What they need from you, requirements, right? So that's just 2 3 minutes quick introduction is required, and very confident start is a like its first impression is last impression, right? So just try to focus on those areas. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
that's it. That's it from my end. If anything from your end, then you can ask. Otherwise, we can stop here.
Uh, about the introduction, what should I in what points should I describe?
So if it is about myself, then yes, my name is Priyanka. I'm having this my stuff experience, technical stack you have to explain. Then if it is this technical stack, this much of companies I have worked with, and then lastly move to the project. Just mention the projects. Don't describe them very initially. Like if I worked on this SBI project, then I'm not going to explain I worked this and that and etc etc. No, just mention the project. I worked in the SBI. I worked with the SBI client. I worked with the two projects here. Suppose if it is a BBPS, if it is a UPI, just that's it, and just end up it from your end. Don't wait that interviewer asks, ki, okay, stop now. We will move to the next question. No, so that will be the bad impression, right? So you yourself stop it within a 2 or 2.5 or 3 minutes max.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Your screen buffered. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
fine. Okay. Oh, sure. Okay, then hope you understand all areas and try to be
Yes.
very strong and technical. I haven't asked you that. I mostly asked you a theoretical understanding. Technically,
Yes.
you will have scenario-based questions as well. So be prepared with those kind of questions. One more thing, like I
Yes.
already told you, the communication, you need to be very confident. Um, then with the preparation, it will come. So that's it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, you can draw. Thank you.